Good day, Pinoy Clicksters and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. And we are, as you can see in the background, doing another brick break and possibly the last brick break for DC Masters of Time. Okay, so we have our sealed brick here. Okay, and let me share my screen for our participants for tonight's brick break. Okay, so you can see here Jasper, number one. Is here. Sanity there. Onin is here. Angelito is here, represented by, not here, but represented by Conrad. Pete is not yet here. Chris is not yet here. And Ruben is here. Okay, so those are the 8 participants for the regular booster. And the super booster is reserved to Mabait, which is Ruben for this particular break. Okay, so let me just do a courtesy message to Pete and Reese because they're not here to be sure, and Angelita. Uh, and then we will begin. So as always, we're going to randomize the list of the participants, and 1 to 4 will be the back row, left to right, and 5 to 8 will be the front row, 1 to left to right. Okay, sorry. Okay. So at the end of our break, we're going to raffle off our legacy card. Okay, so we also have 3 bounties for tonight. Okay, so based on the chat in the group, bounty A will be Dark Side, okay, recommended by I think Angelito. And if you pull Dark Side in one of your booster, you get all of these freebies. Okay, and then Bounty B is Swamp Thing. Okay, so you get all of this if you pull Swamp Thing. This is the non-prime. Okay, kasi yung mga prime not included in our bounty. And Bounty C is Constantine. Okay, C for Constantine. Chris is here. Welcome, Chris. So first time ni Chris sumali sa ating break. So hopefully he gets something good. Okay, so I think hindi pa na-hit yung bounty after Conrad hit the bounty. It was the first time. So kaya medyo marami na yung bounty items. And it will just carry over to Black Panther, or if Doc Marcus calls for unboxing, this will also carry over to his unboxing. Okay, so dadagdagan na lang yan. Sige. So without further ado, as I said, we'll shuffle the list of names. Okay. So how many times we're gonna roll it? Somebody entered that spit. Okay, so majority is in here. We're going to roll the dice. How many? 8. 8. 1. Imit kita, Pita. We hear shouting 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So this is our order of names. So allow me to share the list and update it. Okay, so 1 is Onin, Ruben, Angelito, Angelito, Pete, Chris, and Jasper.
Parang hindi nagbago yung number ko.
Hindi na nagbago. Favorite. Okay, I will uh pin this one as spotlight forever. There you go. So you should see the big hand. Okay? And then I will, hindi pa rin kasya yung ano break, guys. So anyway, I will just remove the legacy card. Ay, ito pala. Kasya pala sa akin. Dito na lang. Di ano ko rin ka spotlight. Okay na ba dalawa?
Pwede ba tanggalin yung keyboard, tapos doon mo hugutin isa-isa?
Try natin. Hindi
Di
kita.
ba? Gets mo?
Ganyan na lang, ganyan na lang. Okay, pero hindi rin kita.
Di
Tanggalin ko
ba?
na yung...
Gets mo? Tira mo, di ba? Hugutin mo siya from the top. Gets
Yeah,
mo?
yeah, yeah.
Para pahiga. Pwedeng
Okay.
pahiga. Nakuha mo?
Usog ko pa.
Pahiga mo siya. Higain mo. Yan. Di ba?
Okay.
Gets?
Ganyan na lang. Itayo na lang natin.
Oh, okay. Sige, pwede rin.
Okay, okay.
Go.
Okay. So,
Mamaya na yan.
that's our legacy card. Nasaan yung ano ko? Pentel pen. Okay. I'm
Start na.
removing
Let's go.
Okay, booster number 1.
Own
This
in.
is for Onin. Let's see. Sino yung bagong pasok?
Maka John Constantine lang ako, masaya na ako. Sabay ganun.
Dark Side, Swamping, tsaka John Constantine ang ating bounty. Okay, let's see. Onin. Batman.
Kala ko Nightwing na naman eh. Ito na naman tayo sa Nighthawk na yan eh.
Supergirl.
Tarazor. Supergirl rare.
Time Trapper. Booster
Mr.
Gold, and Mr. Mind. Okay, this is Onin.
Okay.
Okay, rare Supergirl. Parang gusto ko tuloy 4 na Supergirl. That's your meta team.
Bakit 3 na ba yung Supergirl mo na may sword?
Hindi, dalawa at the moment. Onin.
Okay.
Number 2 is Ruben. Let's see. Ruben. We are in. Let's see. Oops. Dead man. Easy Company
Sergeant.
Soldier. Ito na si Nighthawk.
Oh my God. Yeah.
Ito na si Nighthawk.
Oh my God.
League Assassin and Supernova.
I'm so sorry, Ruben. Oh my God.
Ano ba? Lagi na lang may Nighthawk.
Oh my
Ruben.
God. Yun na. Isa pa kailangan
Nighthawk
balik na sa
bounty.
New Robin na rare.
Ano yan?
May consolation.
Alay yan eh. Alay pala sa tawag namin ni Onin dyan eh. Alay.
Yan saka yung Robin na rare. Yun yung isa pang alay. Dalawang alay yan eh.
Angelito, this for you, number 3.
Booster 1 ni Angelito.
Booster 1, Angelito. You have 2 slots.
Double
Angelito.
booster.
O gusto pa nga niyang humilit ng pangatlo na unahan ni Ruben.
SR Chase na yan.
Oh, bubble wrap.
Uy, bubble wrap. Pero pwede rin, oy.
Uy.
Chase?
Ay, Despero.
Despero.
Malapit
Ayan.
ng Despero, Trick Arrow.
Pwede na. Not bad.
Yes. Talia.
Si Conrad
good.
ang
Trapper,
representative,
and
di ba?
Genius.
Congratulations.
Si Conrad kasi representative eh. Kaya malapit talaga yung Despero niya.
Nandito si Conrad?
Ayan si Conrad eh.
Ay, malas ko naman. Joke.
Kung sumali si Conrad, baka ito nakuha niyang booster. Ito yung
Desperado.
Malamang, sabi ni Conrad. Don't worry, I'll take a picture of all your pulls later. So, we're doing a quick break. This is Angelito.
Angelito.
Number 4 is Good luck, Ganito na mga plastic. Good na di
Good na di
sumali.
na sumali.
Ano ba yung mga
Di tatlo
super
na Despero mo.
natin last time? Kung Despero. Oops. You got Black Hawk.
Nighthawk girl ba?
Black Hawk
Black Hawk
Pilot.
girl.
Easy Company.
Generic Naku, ito na yung Robin na rare. Sabi ko
Ito
na
na yung Robin na rare.
Diyos ko, Lord. Sino yun isa?
Fate,
Dr.
Gene
Fate.
Hex. Dr. Fate and Gene Hex. Robin rare. Ay, puro isang SR
I'm so
lang sa
sorry,
likod.
rare.
Mukhang maganda sa baba.
Mukhang maganda
Yay.
sa baba. Dati puro
Sana magdilang anghel o demonyo ka.
Angelito. Ito na yung number 5 sa harapan. Let's see.
Oo nga pala, no? Naisip ko na 10 yan eh. 8 lang pala, no? 5 na pala
8 lang,
kagad
8 lang.
yan.
Ito na yung harap. Kaya nabawasan na yung... Angelito, number 2.
Grabe, bubble wrap na naman.
Oy, bubble wrap na naman.
Grabe
Bubble
naman
wrap.
yan.
Ano to?
Uncommon?
Ay, kala ko prime. Blue Beetle rare.
SR.
Rare, rare,
Ah,
rare,
rare lang
rare.
pala yan.
Kala ko
Akala ko rin
prime.
prime. Eh.
Oop, oop, oop.
Ah,
That's a
ano yan?
rare. Wonder
Uncommon
Woman.
Wonder Woman.
Oo.
Yung may shield.
Velociraptor
Uncommon.
and kala ko prime.
Blue Beetle.
Okay, Blue
Black Lantern ba
Beetle.
yan?
Ana?
Black Lantern ba yan? Black Beetle?
Ay, teka lang. Hindi ko sure. Double check ko.
Hindi. Hindi.
Ah, hindi siya Black
Uh,
Lantern?
Time stealer lang yata.
Time Stealer,
Okay.
Future, Mystical Past.
Ah, okay. Kala ko Black Lantern.
Kala
Pwede na
ko
yun.
prime
Actually,
eh.
kung Black Lantern.
Oh,
Oo
this
nga.
is, wala pang chase ah. Uy.
Ako.
Hit,
Sana may
ikaw na
chisa
next
naman.
ah. Tignan natin.
Eee!
Angelito.
Ako na.
Ito na si Pete. Okay,
Ano
Pete,
ba
this is
gusto mo?
yours.
Chase o ano, Prime, sana doon na lang. O John Constantine, masaya na
Kung
ako.
sana do, tarot card. Gusto ko rin yan. Pete. Oh,
Oh.
host pala si Pete. Sabi ni Ruben. Hop. Uy, trick arrow.
Ulit?
Ba't may trick arrow ulit? Pangalawa.
Oo nga.
Kasi may
Superman.
green arrow.
Green arrow. Parang nga, usually. Ay,
Oh.
Vandal Savage na
Ano
naman.
ba yan?
Malapit
Mahal
ka
na
kay
mahal ako ng
Vandal.
Vandal Savage na yan ah. Pangalawa na to ah.
Malapit ka kay
Grabe.
Vandal. Pero may trick arrow.
Hindi, yun din yung nakuha ko last time eh. Literal.
Ganun din. Ano pa yung mga
Oh.
super rares natin
Ay,
doon?
hindi. Sa big ko pala yung trick arrow ko. Sige, nahalo pala. Oh. Ba
Ano
yan?
ba yan?
Double
Ano?
SR?
Chris. This is you, Chris. First time sumali ni Chris. Nako,
Chris.
mukhang kay Chris ang ano ah.
Mukhang ano kang siyang newbie. Newbie luck.
Newbie ah. Newbie, ano.
Newbie luck, oo.
Pampaadik sa newbie. Chris, good luck. Okay. Animal Man,
Animal Man. Superman.
Superman, Daxamite,
Daxamite.
Black King,
Clock. Ah?
SR, and
SR.
Batman. Hoy, last lot ako. May chase kaya yan. Let's see.
Ay, grabe.
Nako.
Prime. I want Prime sana do actually. Okay. This is super rare Clacking. First time nagpakita ni Clacking. Wala pa rin yung bounty natin, guys. Ano ba? Ayaw magpakita ng mga bounty items.
Ba yan? Bakit
Naubos.
Vandal Savage na naman?
Naubos na yung break natin. Wala pa rin John Constantine na napupull. Ganun siya kahirap. Tsaka dark side.
Sana doon nga, isa lang, di ba?
Oo, yung
Sana doon
non-prime.
isa. Oo.
Ayaw lumabas. Ang hirap talaga ng dark side. Tsaka yung yung John Constantine. This is Jasper. Okay. Hopefully chase.
Malamang, chase na yan. Tinatanong pa ba yan? Diyos ko, Lord.
May mga break na walang chase.
Yun
Pero may
lang.
prime. Wala pang prime din eh.
Wala pang prime. Yan natin.
Wag
Oh,
lang sa Giant, no?
Black Hawk.
Oh.
Pirate. Batman.
Rare na Batman.
Rare.
Oo.
Wala.
Wala. Wala.
Uy. Wala
Walang
tayong
chase.
chase. Ang lungkot ng ating break. Tingnan natin.
Tapos-
This is for me.
Wala.
Alo.
Nasa Giant. Nasa Giant.
Ano pa
ba
si
yan?
Giant?
Mukhang ano tayo last break natin. Walang
Super sword tsaka chase. Grabe naman si Ruben.
grabe naman si Ruben. Tingnan natin.
Si Ruben ba itong Giant? Kay Ruben to?
Si Ruben ang Giant.
Okay, hindi. Pakiramdaman mo, mabigat hindi.
Takto lang. Hindi ko malaman eh. Parang hindi.
So magaan.
Parang magaan.
So hindi yan Wonder Dawn. Sigurado ako, mabigat yun eh.
Tingnan
Flash
natin.
Raptor kumaga.
Good luck, Ruben.
Ultra Humanite? Beast Boy?
Tingnan natin. Ang pangit
Aquaman?
ng break natin Yung super rare. 3, walang prime. 1. Ruben, good luck. 1, 2.
Flash Raptor at reverse flash.
Ay, dinosaur.
Rico? Yeah, Tyrannosaurus. Rico.
Teka lang.
Si T-Rex.
T-Rex. Morgan
Okay.
Le Fay na rare.
Okay.
Tapo. Ay, ang long. Oh, shit, this is a bad break. Sorry. This is...
Let's see.
Eh,
Teka nga lang.
oh my God. Medyo, ano to
Maalat na break to.
T-Rex.
T-Rex ka. Aroy
Morgan
ko.
Le Fay.
Aroy
Maalat
ko.
na break tayo. Ano ba? Ang
Oh
alat ng
my
last break
Lord.
natin. O, T-Rex. Pero T-Rex is
Ano na
ano?
daw? Black Panther na daw tayo after this. Sorry na daw. Pass
Oo.
na tayo.
It's the sign da. It's the sign.
Tigil-tigilan yung emoji.
Okay.
Huwag na kayo mag-mot.
Okay na. Sabi ko, tigil-tigil. Okay. Ang gagawin natin, I feel so bad about it. So, we will raffle off one of the bounty. Hindi
Wala
tayo
nang choice
nakakuha
eh.
ng,
Oh, wala na
hindi
eh.
tayo
Oo nga
nakakuha
eh.
ng bounty. Sige, ira-raffle na natin yung mga bounty tsaka yung ha. Okay. Share ko yung screen. Ay, tata.
Ang lungkot.
Anong gusto nyong i-raffle natin? A, B, or C?
Malamang yung A na lang kasi at least
Ay,
yung may
teka lang.
SR.
Tingnan natin ha. Teka lang. I-share ko muna yung
Yung A
screen.
na lang. Kung ako sa inyo yung A na lang.
A, B, or C.
Doon tayo sa A kung ako sa inyo.
Pero
guys.
hatiin natin para A
Hindi,
na
kaya
lang.
nga.
Okay.
Kung ako sa inyo yung A
Oo.
na lang. Kasi yun yung
A
may
na lang.
SR eh.
Okay. So, ang gagawin natin sa A, so meron tayong one item. Lagyan ko lang ng para naman meron tayong one. Oh. Pero may raffle pa tayo ng legacy card This is one,
Oo.
two, three, and then four. Ayan. And then number 5 yung legacy.
Legacy card. Okay.
Ganun na lang.
Okay.
5 legacy. Okay, so we will
So,
raffle
sana
it
5 na
off.
lang.
So, tingnan natin kung let me share my screen. So,
Sa-
ito yan. If ever you become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the you will win that bounty.
Sana 1, 3, or 5. So, ilang rolls yan?
Ay, sorry. Na-reload ko lang. Okay. Yung name ko na Jasper kay kay Ruben kasi siya yung super booster. So, 2 slots siya technically.
Okay.
Okay. Roll again. Let's see.
8. 8 talaga.
8 talaga?
8 talaga.
Ulit.
Oh, nag-switch yung
Okay.
6 tsaka 2 mo eh.
Oo. So, 8. So, it should be
8 more.
8 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So, let's see. Yan. Pete,
Yay!
Pete get number 1. Ilalagay ko lang, baka makalimutan ko. Number 1 is Pete.
Yes!
Number 2 is Ruben. Okay, kasi hindi ako kasali dyan. Number 3 is Number 4 is Onin. Okay. Number 5, ang legacy is Angelito. Tingnan natin kung anong nakuha ni Angelito.
Kasi nga.
Again, sa sharing guys, ito yung distribution. Pete, Ruben, Onin, Angelito. And then let's see what's Angelito's legacy. So yung bounty B and C carry over na lang. Gawa na lang akong bagong bounty A. Okay, let's see. Angelito. Lightning lag.
Lightning lag. Okay.
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 So, let me
Thank you guys. I have to go back na.
Yeah.
Salamat.
So, thank you very much, everyone. As I said, quick unboxing. So, this is our quote-unquote last MoT. Don't worry, I'm gonna send you guys pictures of what you pull. Good night, everyone. Thank you for joining. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Good night. Good night.